Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly comment or uncomment code in Visual Studio Code. So let's jump right in. First, open Visual Studio Code. You can do this by searching for VS Code in your Start menu or clicking its shortcut. Once VS Code is open, select the text or code you want to comment out. Simply click and drag your mouse to highlight the lines of code. Now, to comment the selected text, press Ctrl/ on Windows / on Mac. And just like that, the code is commented. To uncomment the text, simply select the commented code again and press Ctrl/. This will toggle the comment off. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to comment and uncomment code in VS Code using a simple shortcut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more coding tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.